What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alan again, help you gain. In this video we'll talk about the future direction of Bitcoin. We can see that after the release of non-farm employment change rate on August 5th, the entire market fluctuates greatly and start a new breakout. But now, we are gonna see the Bitcoin volatile a bit longer. Right now, here you are, we bring you the Bitcoin technological analysis and Ethereum price prediction, and also the analysis of SPIX stock market to help you better understand the market and seize more trading opportunities. So don't forget to give a like and subscribe to Coinfinite. Don't miss that out. First of all, let's look at the SPIX futures and the stock market. We can see that after the non-farm change rate was released at that time, there was a large red candle on the market. There was also a diamond reversal pattern here. This pattern had happened a lot in Bitcoin before, and the market fell rapidly by about 1.3%. However, the SPIX did not fall straightforward. After touching the front support of 14,100, it started a consolidating rebound, which means that there were exchanges between support and resistance in the early stage. At the same time, we look at the SPIX market. From our previous analysis, we can see that the 4177 and the 4200 near the previous high is a resistance where many shorts are waiting to do it and do the waiting. If there is an effective resistance, then everyone should be very careful. It is very likely the SPIX will start a very large decline and callback, which will also cause Bitcoin to decline by at least 5%. At that time, I will direct to short. So now let's go back to our main course Bitcoin. First of all, I want to share my order here. Around 23k US dollars, I have a long order for the short term, and right now I have gained about 52k 800 USDT. That's a lot, right? So up next, I will talk about the very important short-term trading chances and the price prediction, so do stick around. Let's start from the weekly time frame here, which is the structure of a doji. The 2-week rise in a row may end this week, but my definition of a doji is neutral. For friends who hold long position here, we must pay attention to the risks. We should not lever the position and long more, but to take profits and close your orders step by step. Let's go to the daily time frame. There was a bullish and engulfing pattern. The previous market showed the same before, and the subsequent Bitcoin all went down first and reversed later. At this time, compared with the trading volume of this green candle, it is not big enough, and Bitcoin did not follow a rapid rise, but follow a red candle. So I think the power of outgoing rise here is still weaker than the power of selling. This orange downward trend has yet been broken. Therefore, open orders at such a high level is a big risk. The support that worth your attention is the 21k 500. If it falls below, the rising structure will be destroyed or even trigger Bitcoin plunge. For now, we have not seen any bearish signal, and the 3 dry pattern I talked about in my last week's video is also possible for you. If you are not clear enough about this, you can go back to my last video. And right now, let's go straight to the 4-hour level, and I'll explain my trading volume and how I do it in the details. In short term, Bitcoin is still volatile after the release of the non-farm rate on Friday and weekend. The short-term price is basically in the range of 23k 400 to 22k 700. Right now, it is undergoing an upward breakthrough. This is a signal for long. As I have mentioned before, if you want a long Bitcoin, there are 2 things you need to look at. Number 1 is the downtrend line broken. And number 2 is a 23k 400 breakout. If these 2 signals come out, you can long it right away. In the short term, it is undergoing a volatile upward trend. The bullish target for long is around 24k 500. If it cannot effectively break through and hit new high, then there's also a chance to go short. That is, to make a double top reversal pattern or to break out and fall back to the previous high again. I would consider go short myself because the stop loss buffer is very little and the PL ratio here, as you can see, is very good. Of course, I will only operate it when I see such a signal of slow rise. This is for shorting. On the other hand, what if we want to go bullish on Bitcoin? When we turn on the indicator VPVR, as you can see, there will be a vacant range above. If this is a real one and effective breakthrough, then the price will quickly rise to a high of 25k US dollars, which is a very strong resistance. We have to trade according to the signals and the price behavior. Future trading is very high risk, so everyone must control their position and set up a good stop loss trigger. The above is a Bitcoin transaction analysis. Finally, let's take a look at the Ethereum. You can see that the overall trend of Ethereum is still very strong. For now, the key price is still 1700 US dollars. As long as there are 2 to 3 green candles standing above 1700 US dollars, then I think this is an effective breakthrough in the short term. We should follow the trend to go long. In terms of the target for Ethereum, we can see that the next resistance of 2100 is likely to be reached. Coupled with the recent merger of Ethereum 2, the good news is that there are still many investors who are optimistic about Ethereum, so I will wait Ethereum first in the short term. If it is bearish, and I will see Ethereum falling below 1300, which will form a lower low and end the price. The decline will begin, and there is still a chance to go short by that time. So this is for Ethereum. So the above is my trading plan and technological analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. My opinion is for references only and not as investment advice. Crypto trading is very high risk, please be careful. I'm Alan. This is a channel focused on crypto education. I will update a video for you from Monday to Friday. If you like my video and think it's helpful for you to trade, do give us a like and share it at the same time. When we hit 1,000 subs, we will bring you a live broadcast. So do subscribe to Coinfinite so that you will not miss any follow-up videos. Alan again, help you gain. See you in the next video.